Hi everyone, I'm George from Theatre Sound Supplies and I'm here today to talk to you about cleaning microphones. We've had a few messages lately asking about the best way to clean different parts and different types of microphone, so we thought we'd do a quick video showing some tips, tricks and different products that might be able to help you along the way. I'm going to start by talking about pop caps. These are tiny and dirt and makeup can easily get caught in the grills. The best way we find to clean these is by using one of these, an ultrasonic cleaner. They're available online, you can get them on Amazon, they're about £25–30 and they're brilliant. All you need to do is you open it up, put a little bit of water inside and put your pop caps into the basket. Once the bottom's back in, press the button and away it goes. The cleaner shakes the pop caps at a high speed, which then mixed with water helps remove any dirt and makeup that may be caught within the grills. Once the cycle's complete, I like to then use some Blue Roll and some air duster in order to dry out the pop caps. Make sure they're properly dry before you put them back on your microphone. I'm going to move on now and talk about the cable. Cables get gunked up with different types of tape residue, hairspray and many other things, so it's important that you clean them regularly and keep on top of it. The best thing we've found for cleaning microphones and the cable specifically are Zoff wipes. To use them, you simply open the wipe out and run the microphone through the middle of it. This may need to be repeated in particularly sticky areas, but it should all come off fairly easily. Another similar product to this, but available in bottle, is also the Lucafix remover, and using a combination of the two can maybe stretch your usage a little bit further. Finally, I'm going to talk about how we clean the transmitters. The best products we've found for cleaning transmitters are anti-static foam and air duster, along with a Blue Roll and perhaps a durable cotton bud. To clean the transmitters, we open it up and apply a small amount of anti-static foam to the Blue Roll. Gentle wipe round the pack should be all it needs. We then use the air duster to blow away any dust and also dry off the pack properly. Thanks for watching and I hope this has been helpful. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and thank you for watching.